everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Conscious. It's Lockie here, and today I just wanted to do a bit of an educational video explaining a few things regarding, firstly, coin market cap, where you can view all the different coins, but then also the market capitalization, which is the represented value of the entire cryptocurrency market and how it works, because there's a little bit of, a misconception in new investors' minds that the amount of money that's actually flowed into the crypto space is equivalent to the market capitalization. And that, in fact, is a very, very different story. So, firstly, what is the market capitalization? We can have a look at Bitcoin here. Basically, the market capitalization, or the market cap, is the circulating supply of coins times by the price of the current coins. So if we 16.9 million times $9,807, we'll get a market cap of $165 billion, which is not actually the real amount of money that's flown into the market. The real money that's flown in and out of the market, as we can see, we had a peak of the entire market cap of crypto space was a bit over 800 billion, but the real true indicator of money flowing in and out of the market is your net inflow and your net outflow. So of the 16.9 million coins that are currently circulating from Bitcoin, we've got to think that a lot of these coins were mined and they were purchased back when Bitcoin was 13 cents and $1. Not every single coin has been purchased at the current price of the market. All the market cap is a representation of the market value, which in turn is again not the money that's flown into the market. So when we can see huge changes from over 800 billion down to under 400 billion, there hasn't been 400 billion leaving the markets. It's just simply an indicator as to what people are willing to pay for the coin, obviously times the circulating supply. So on that basis, I'd say that the actual net inflow and outflow is far, far less than what the market cap would indicate. At a real stab in the dark, I'd say that perhaps somewhere between 10 to $20 billion is actually flown into the market space. So we can do the same thing with something like Ripple. As we can see, Ripple's got a ridiculous amount of coins. So if we times the current price, which is only 85 cents, by the circulating supply, we get the total market cap of 33 billion, which it's currently at. So this is also an important factor to remember when we're looking at the price of Ripple as opposed to the price of Bitcoin. If Ripple is to have the same market capitalization as Bitcoin, it only needs to grow, as we can see here, about another 5 times, which means the price isn't going to be $9,807. The price is going to be somewhere around $4 or thereabouts. So if you're new to the market, it's highly important that you're not just relying on the price, especially in the dollar value of a coin, because that doesn't represent the actual value and then in turn the potential growth that you could see. So what you really want to consider is the market cap itself, because obviously if Litecoin is to reach the same market capitalization as Bitcoin, it means we've got 16 times potential growth. So consider that when you're investing in projects, and try to compare it against other projects as well, which you think that perhaps has a similar value, or you could see that the coin you're investing could reach that value, and that'll give you a fairer idea of the sort of returns you'll receive on your investments. But that was it. Just a real basic one today is to explore what the market capitalization is. The website's coinmarketcap.com, which if you haven't been here, I highly recommend you checking it out. If you want to jump onto any of the other coins, you can click onto them. It'll show you all the details, and most importantly, you can access the websites, which is highly important when you're researching projects, because you can view the white papers and other parts of the projects as well. So I'll put this in the description if you haven't been onto CoinMarketCap before. But yeah, please don't think that the market is fluctuating by hundreds of billions of dollars going in and out of it. It's simply just the price of what people are willing to pay for these assets is changing, which then in turn changes obviously the market cap. It doesn't reflect the amount of money flowing in and out of the market. Thanks for listening. Cheers.